Hi, Eli here with Lemon Remodeling, and we accomplished another kitchen and bathroom remodeling project. Come check it out, the results are phenomenal.
Hi, I'm Brad from San Mateo, and I hired Eli from Lemon Remodeling to redo my kitchen and bathroom. The results were spectacular. Excellent work. I went with Eli and Lemon because they presented a comprehensive plan on what they plan to do with cost outlined and timelines on when the work will be done. I liked what they presented. The personality of Eli was excellent. He was easy to work with, great communication. He established a WhatsApp communication line, and every day he updated on what was to be done and what was done, along with videos of what was done. For the planning and designing, Lemon was very helpful. They guided us to different stores where we were able to work with their designers and come up with a plan on what we wanted to do. Also, the color scheme and cabinet, their person with the cabinets was awesome. He laid out the plan and worked very well with us. Yeah, the workers were very friendly, full communication. They respected us in the house. If they were going to make noise, they told us. They cleaned up after they were very friendly to our pets, my wife. Yes, I highly recommend Lemon Remodeling with Eli as a project manager. As I said, they were spectacular. The results are spectacular. And now some neighbors want his contact to redo their kitchen. So overall, spectacular results.